Indulge in the ultimate coffee experience with our meticulously curated selection of the finest coffee grinders. Elevate your mornings with the aroma of freshly ground beans and unlock the true essence of your favorite brews. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best coffee grinders you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Behold the Eureka Mignon Notte, our remarkable number 5. Crafted meticulously in the heart of Florence, Italy, this exceptional grinder surpasses all expectations. Its design embodies longevity, allowing you to disassemble and maintain its robust inner machinery effortlessly. Clean the burrs, troubleshoot any issues, and witness the attention to detail in every component. Unlike its counterparts, this magnificent grinder boasts a chassis forged from solid steel, exuding durability from every angle. No longer will you suffer through the frustration of servicing a Burr grinder concealed within flimsy plastic. The Notte is built like a mighty tank. Burr grinders inevitably encounter obstacles as oily beans transform into fine powders, creating buildup over time. However, the Mignon Notte defies convention with its enduring nature, potentially outlasting even its fortunate owner. Remarkably, it achieves coffee grinding perfection within seconds, catering to your preferred fineness or coarseness, while astonishingly costing hundreds less than most flat Burr grinders. Immerse yourself in its 12-ounce capacity and revel in the marvel that is the Eureka Mignon Notte, yours for just $329. Looking for a reliable coffee grinder without breaking the bank? Meet our number 4, the KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder. While a Burr grinder takes your coffee to the next level, a blade grinder like this one gets the job done just fine. Whether you prefer a drip machine, French press, or pour over, it's got you covered. What sets this KitchenAid grinder apart is its durability and convenience. I stumbled upon it on Amazon a few years ago, and it's been my go-to ever since. The added bonus of a removable cup means no more awkwardly flipping the entire grinder over to empty the grounds into your coffee machine. It's a small but thoughtful touch. For an incredible cup of coffee, pair this grinder with freshly roasted beans from your local shop. And here's a pro tip. Pulse the grinder instead of holding it down for a consistent grind, minimizing those almost whole beans floating in your filter. More consistency equals more flavor in every sip. At just $29, it's an absolute steal. Meet the Baratza Encore Burr grinder, proudly claiming its spot as our number 3 choice. Unlike other snobby coffee gear, this conical Burr grinder welcomes everyone with open arms and an affordable price tag. With an impressive range of 40 grind settings, it caters to every coffee preference, from fine espresso grounds to a coarse French press grind. As a passionate drip coffee lover, I find the medium setting of around 20 perfect for my morning ritual. Operating this grinder is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design, automatic shoot-off timer, and modest size, approximately 14 inches tall. Worried about cleaning or repairs? Fear not. The Baratza Encore is a champion in both categories. No tools are required for disassembly, and replacement parts are readily available. Additionally, it comes with a generous 1-year limited warranty. The price is $148. Presenting the OXO Conical Burr grinder, our number 2 pick. OXO's brew grinder strikes the perfect balance of features, functionality, and affordability among electric grinders we've tried. With its conical burr design, it delivers precise grinding for a wide range of brewing methods. Boasting 15 settings, it covers all your brewing needs, from finely ground espresso to coarsely ground coffee, ideal for French press. This slim and narrow grinder won't clutter your countertop, though it stands 16 inches tall, so make sure it fits comfortably beneath your cabinets. While it isn't completely silent, it operates at a reasonable noise level and grinds your beans swiftly. We've relied on this grinder daily for over a year, and it has proven to be highly durable. If you're new to Burr grinders and want to experience their renowned quality without breaking the bank, this is the perfect starting point. Just a word of caution. The rich, flavorful coffee it produces may lead to increased consumption. Priced at $99 is undoubtedly a superior choice. Introducing the Breville Smart Grinder Pro Coffee Bean Grinder, our #1 choice for coffee enthusiasts. With its sleek stainless steel design and cutting-edge technology, this grinder is a game-changer. The stainless steel conical burrs are expertly designed to minimize grinding heat, preserving the rich essential oils locked within the coffee beans. Featuring an impressive range of 60 precise grind settings, from the finest espresso to the coarsest French press grind, this grinder guarantees the perfect grind for every brewing method. The precision electronic timer allows you to adjust the grind time with 0.2-second increments, ensuring a consistent dose every single time. With an ample 18-ounce coffee bean capacity and a convenient locking system, removing, storing, and transferring beans has never been easier. But what truly sets the Breville Smart Grinder Pro apart is its remarkable cleanability. The hopper is easily disassembled, granting access to the burrs, and the spill tray under the spout can be effortlessly pulled out. This exceptional feature keeps the grinder in impeccable working order. Priced at just $199. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.